Hey YouTube, I know it's been a while. I have some deck profiles coming up this week, but for now I got 3 Galaxy Eyes Photon Dragon openings. My girlfriend's going to open them for me here, so here we go. We already took the plastic and stuff out, so you doesn't have to see the boring part.
Maybe not the boring part. It's a nerd.
Alright, I know what's in there. Sexy Fossil Dyna, Solemn Warning, all that jazz.
Okay. Tour guide and a maxi, both in this one pack.
I need to pull me 2 tour guides and 1 maxi, so.
Okay. I can do it. And those are not maxis.
What was the rare?
It was something. It was Star Charger. Ha!
Star Charger, woot woot.
Woot woot.
For some reason.
We have stuff. Mechlord Fortress and
Livestream Dragon. Woo! Ultra rare.
Yay!
Oh yeah.
Yay!
Stupid blurriness.
Tell Jared to shut up.
Easy
Retro Dragonfly.
Reciprocal, come on.
Reciprocal.
You're good at English. Yeah, that's it for the Storm packs. No, we're opening the Storm now. That's Extreme Victory. Okay.
Yeah.
Sweet.
That thing. Go to the main.
Yeah, come on.
Okay. This is
2 minutes to 10.
all of them. Oh, okay. Faster.
And Beauty Sprite. Woo woo. Yeah, that's.
Manliest card ever.
Shows alright, next 10.
I'll go faster this time. We know what that is. This is Generation 4. Air Orca! Yes!
She's happy with the Air Orcas.
Look at him, Aaron.
I know, he's super cute, huh?
No, not cute. It looks like he's gonna rape some bitches.
That too. Oh.
Easy Blade
Oh,
Blast.
Blade Blast, another Ultra.
Ultra.
Better than nothing, huh? Rush Rhino, that's alright. Come on, Maxis. Come on, Maxi.
I see goats. Chokin' Stampede. That's a thingamabobber.
Sheen Smoke Signal.
Yay!
Last pack for this 10.
Maxi.
You guys, I think she failed. She told me she was going to hold me a Maxi and 2 2 tour guides.
I said puppy.
Bummer.
Shut up.
Last 10, here we go.
Tour guide. Okay. This one. That is upside down. That is also, these are not, okay. Well.
Boring.
Shut up. Really
it's okay though, as everybody watching this video knows, the 10s are worth it for this guy right here.
What is it?
And the silly little trap card that used to be.
Space Time Police.
Space Time Police. And this guy right here. Oh yeah. Come on, tour guide. Tour guide right there. Nope. It's a sad day in Yu-Gi-Oh! Land.
I got a TG Power Gladiator.
Power Gladiator.
That's cool looking.
Get down.
Last one.
Last pack. What's it going to be, Michelle?
going to be a punch in the face.
Oh no, don't open those.
But they're rare, Aaron.
It's okay.
Yay!
Alright, YouTube. There you go. Like I said, deck profiles coming later this week.